A very good morning. Yes, we've been talking about the brilliant Aditi Ashok, who's put on a brilliant show and has finished fourth. She's taken India to the world stage as far as golf is concerned, and she's joining us live on this broadcast. Aditi, first of all, many congratulations to you. You know, we're all so very proud of you today, and the nation is surely looking up to you. And we really want to know about your journey so far. How have the last 4 days been? For the first 3 rounds, you were placed second. I mean, the fourth day certainly made a lot of difference, but how did it go? What was the journey like? What were you feeling all throughout these 4 days?
Yeah, it was a good week. I think you're always excited playing at the biggest stage, in sports, which the Olympics is. And I had a really good week. I was in the top 3 for the first 3 days. Obviously, I wanted to finish the top 3 again, but I mean, fourth is still a good week, so I'm happy.
Aditi, you know, we're sure that you're really busy and caught up at this moment. So thank you for taking out your time once again. But, you know, we saw your mother there caddying for you all through these 4 days. What was that feeling like? We've seen your father there also in Rio. How much of a role have your parents played? And, you know, how much of a role that support has really made a difference in your success so far?
Yeah, for sure. I think I wouldn't be here if not for both of them making individual efforts and sacrifices to, take me to tournaments individually, which would help me qualify for the last Olympics and this one. And I think in general, they've just sacrificed a lot, and you need that support to make it in any sport, not just golf. So it was cool having my dad caddy last time and my mom part of the experience this time. And that's just, an icing on the cake that she got to be with me inside the ropes this week, and that I played good as well.
Absolutely. Now, you know, Aditi, when we talk about Olympics, we've seen that, of course, golf has not been a part of Olympics all that much, but in 2016 and now, we've seen you perform both the Olympics, and from the 41st position to 4th position, it's a remarkable improvement. You know, what has your journey been like these past 5 years? What changed for you as far as your performance is concerned, and what is that extra bit, that extra mile that you had to go to reach this?
I think last time I was pretty much in the same position, top 3 after 2 days, but I guess I wasn't as experienced as I am now, and just a little bit of wind on that 3rd day really got me, and I wasn't able to play my own game. So this time, I think just playing 5 years on the LPGA and the LET has made me a more seasoned golfer, more experienced, and I think the more you play, the better you get. So that's what I kind of used those experiences this week, and it helped me, finish 4th.
And what's it been like, really sharing the stage with the top golfers, all of them sharing their experience also in a sense. Back in Rio, I'm sure you were able to bring back a lot of that experience, pick up a lot from, sharing the stage with them. But what was it like really? You were right there, fighting with the world #1 on the greens. What was the experience like?
Yeah, I think it was great. I think being paired with the best players in the world and kind of keeping up with them was really cool. And, I've also haven't had a coach for the last 5 years. So, being able to manage my own game and perform at that level, competing with the best in the world, it always shows me that, I know what I'm doing and I've got it under control. So, yeah, it's always gratifying to play good with the best players in the world. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. I know you're busy, Aditi, and before we let you go, tell us about what really changed in the 4th round for you. We don't mean to bring it back to you because we're all so very proud of the way you've played, and you've scripted history indeed, Aditi, today. But what was the feeling like? Because there was a little bit of disruption because of the weather condition as well. And following which, we saw the game change in a different direction. What was the feeling like? What is it that changed for you in the game in the 4th round in the end?
I think not much. I still went out and did what I wanted to do. I created 2 birdie chances. They didn't go in, but I think the rest of the week I hold almost every putt that could be holed. So I don't leave anything out there. I wouldn't say the disruption, affected my game much, but it was still a good week. I don't think I'd blame the weather or blame the, disruption. It was still, I played my own game and it just ended up the way it ended up.
Absolutely. Aditi, I'm going to take a few more minutes because the entire nation wants to hear from you today, and we've managed to bring you on board. Everyone wants to know, what does it take? Because for amateurs, for people who don't understand golf as much, what does it really take? You started at a very early age. You started, I believe, when you were 5 or 6, following which you were on the greens for like a long time. Your parents were there throughout. How much does it take really to reach where you've reached, and what all went behind the success?
I think just be motivated as a kid to go practice. It's a lonely game. You spend a lot of hours on your own, and no coach can, instill that in you. Nobody can, make you do things or force you to do things. I think my parents supported me, but if I had not shown that I was, interested and I wanted to compete and play better, they wouldn't have put in that much effort in me either. So I just think, just putting in the hard work and doing it for long years, every single day is what gets you here.
The miracle you've created will not be forgotten for a long time. But of what I know about golf, Aditi, it takes a lot of time. You need to give it a lot of time, takes a lot of patience and a lot of consistency. So in your understanding, and since you've mastered it so well, what goes into making a good golfer? We seem to have lost that line with Aditi. A brilliant conversation there with the star athlete, our star performer, Aditi Ashok, who's finished 4th, but she's won all our hearts. Everyone's so very proud of her today. That was a brilliant conversation there exclusively on Republic TV with the star of the day, Aditi Ashok, who continues to make India proud.